Today, let's do an embodied inquiry practice that takes it a step further from the basic body scan. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your breath, into this moment, right here, right now. Breath soft and easy. Simply notice how your breath flows in and out of your body and how your body responds to the breath. And notice all of this not as an outside observer, but as a body breathing itself. Notice all the circumstances of your practice, not as an outside observer to the experience, but rather as an active participant, as a body breathing itself and sensing all the sensations, sounds, temperature, humidity, the surface you're sitting on or lying on. How does it feel to sense your whole being as a body from the inside out? Spend a few moments with your direct experience. And if you notice that the mind drifts off and you are not here anymore, simply bring your attention back into your body, anchoring yourself in the present moment where the body always lives. Now sense the crown of your head from the inside out. Sense your face. Remember, don't just imagine your face or visualize it, but see if you can feel it from the inside out. Sense your throat. Your right arm, shoulder to hand, from the inside outward. Left arm, from shoulder to hand. Torso, from the inside out, front to back. Bring your attention to your pelvis. Sense your pelvis from the inside out. All the sensations that are happening here without trying to name anything. Simply feel. Your right leg, hip to foot, from the inside out. Your left leg, hip to foot. And now sense your whole body as one brilliant sensation, one field of energy. Don't just imagine or conceptualize the vision of your body. Really connect with a felt sense of yourself as a living, breathing body. Does the sensation feel familiar or not so much? Keep with this embodied experience of yourself as I take you through a series of inquiries. Ask yourself, where am I not feeling? Where are the blind spots? Am I subtly avoiding some areas of my body? If you discover that any area is hard to feel, it can be helpful to add gentle movement around the area. Breathe into the area, or touch yourself slowly and gently on the surface of that area. Does that help? How deeply am I feeling? What would it mean to be really present to the body now? Again, refrain from talking to yourself about it and allow this question to be answered somatically as a felt sense. Right now, am I aware of my body or am I aware as a body? What would it mean as an experience to be aware as a body? In more detail, what is this feeling of awareness as a body? How much can I feel at once? Where exactly in the body does it feel more or less like me? Once again, reconnect with the sensations of your body as a whole. One radiant sensation, one field of energy that you sense from the inside out. And allow your gentle awareness to be around this experience. How does that feel? Remember that thinking of the past or the future means we are not in the present moment. Only when we are in the body, we're truly in the present moment, because this is where the body lives. So the more you connect with the sensations of your body from the inside out, the more you find all the nuanced shades of feelings, of sensations, as we try to do through these inquiries. The more you start living in the present moment, the more your life becomes embodied. And it's very useful because the body always truly knows what's going on. When we are in our head, for example, we may think we're angry. But at the same time, if we truly connect to the body from the inside out, we might discover that this anger is covering fear, or hopelessness, insecurity. The more we connect with the body from the inside out, the more chance we get to start responding to life versus reacting to it. Because we learn how to read all the cues that the body is constantly giving us. It's just a matter of paying attention. So as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue this embodied inquiry. Some of the questions you may want to run through again is, how deeply am I feeling? Where am I not feeling? What am I trying to hide? And am I aware of the body or as a body? Where in the body is me, really? Enjoy this inquiry. Enjoy this discovery. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.